Our power wire for the child reminder, we typically pull it off of this red wire from the tail marker light relay right there. That's constant 12-volt power. We typically connect the yellow wire of the child reminder to the accessory power feed to the interior light switch. In this particular bus, this happens to be a red wire going to the switch and is labeled H3. It's quite convenient to attach the orange wire to one of the red wires coming from the back of the red pilot lamp indicator. It carries the 12-volt signal to let the system know when the warning lights have been used. So that's a great place to connect the orange wire. Circuit number B21, a black wire coming off the back of the interior light switch, carries the signal for the interior lights. You cut it, and the side going towards the switch, install the gray wire. The green wire gets butt connected to the other end, which heads off towards the interior lights. Circuit number B33, a white wire, carries power to the rear door buzzer. You'll want to cut this wire and install a diode on it with the gray stripe facing towards the rear door. That would be in this direction. We've chosen to install this diode at a location over here. Connect the white wire from the child reminder to the dark blue wire coming off of the negative post of the front warning buzzer. This dark blue wire is usually labeled B29. This is the wire that goes to the rear door switch of this Thomas bus. The violet wire, in this particular bus, we have an air door, so we've run an extension wire to the violet wire and sent it on over to the header above the door and installed the optional air door switch kit, ADK1, in this bus. If this bus was equipped with a manual door, this violet wire would simply go to the door input on the bus's 8-way warning light flasher. The horn wire on the Freightliner chassis is right up by the dashboard. This is where we grab the signal, and then what we do is we've pulled this out for illustration, but we tuck it back inside, being careful not to pinch it because you have tilt steering. Connect the blue wire from the child reminder to this point. Because Freightliner uses a grounding type horn system, the red and white wire and the black wire are tied together and then sent to a good ground. The red and white wire will then provide a grounding horn polarity, and the black wire provides a ground for the system.